Hello, good evening everyone. This time it's time for unboxing. I ordered something in I think noon. My box at noon.com. Noon. Maybe someday noon will what's this? Sponsor me. I order headset. Let's see if this headset is okay or mapikwais or good like that. Why I cannot see whole video? Let's adjust my video and okay. This box is quite huge. Maybe 30 by 25 centimeter box. Let's open the box. Actually, the box is quite nice. It's the Phantom Gaming headphone. It's cool. The box is quite nice. I ordered this one 3 days ago. Actually, they're very fast in delivery. Danone is another online shop also here in Riyadh. Noon, Souk, but now Souk.com. The Amazon already bought the Souk.com. That's why they call it now the Amazon Saudi. Anyway. See? The side? No. Open like this. Ta-da! Their packaging is very good. You see first. See, it has a logo like Voltes 5. You see first. Jadang! With a Voltes 5 sticker, it's not a Voltes 5, I'm just only joking. Actually, the packaging is very good. And also the headset itself. What else inside the box? Inside the box is nothing else, only the headset. Kalas. Only the headset. Actually, the packaging is very good, huh? So, this is what it looked like. Actually, guys, it looks cool. Cool. And it have adjustment here in the other in the cord. And this has a microphone. Hello, may I take your order, please? Let's see the box again. The box, product introduction. 1 volume control button. Number 2, microphone off on button. The headset is applicable to 3.5 mm quadruple single plug audio. Audio device such as laptop, tablet, PC, mobile phones, etc. with a bisected adapter cable of 3.5 mm. Interface. The 3.5 dual high-quality sound production unit offers medium and low audio experience, skin type protein ear muff, environmental protection. That is my master's degree. Wear-proof and comfortable to wear. Lightweight design, self-adjusting head beam design. The best game wearing experience plug of the computer can be used. And lastly, high sensitivity microphone device, more accurate, clear, and smooth voice. It's made from China. Nowadays, friends, China is, I think China is the most, manufacturing country. Product parameters, speaker size up to 50 diameter and diameter of 23 mm. Impedance, blah blah blah. Minimum requirements for Microsoft Xbox One, for PC laptop, Xbox One Team controller, Windows 10, 8, 7, and Vista. So, I ordered this. The price for this one is 200 real. Yes, 200 real and free shipping. At 201 to be exact. 201.75 real. And I ordered this one at noon. Check. Phantom gaming headset. And it's very cool looking. I look like a helicopter pilot. Attack, 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 attack. I will follow you. Attack, retreat, follow me. Anyway, that's all for today, and thank you very much, and I enjoy my headset. Shukran.